What up, my boy? Alright, just gave you this.
Good morning, bro.
How you doing?
Chilling, dog.
Good
That
stuff.
rangy ass DJ.
I'll just get everything sorted in a second. We are live now. Make sure to come and join in. We're going to be breaking down GJ, GU, and gold. Let's go. What up, squad? What up, squad? Let everyone fill up. Yeah, yesterday those cells play out nice, and gold was choppy for when we wanted to push, which was mad. I got a little push and I got my 10 pips, but yeah, it wicked up, broke the levels, and then came all the way back down, and then wicked up again. I was like, what is going on? Right.
Yeah, gold yesterday. The cells on GJ, I saw them. Just there was just no stop loss from it. Wasn't the RR was not there.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't get in. Yeah, it was like a 24 pip stop loss for like 15 pip TP.
Yeah.
I was just like, yeah, I stayed out. I didn't catch any trades yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. So I'll show you some trades I could have got in as well, which I didn't. Morning, everyone. Right. So if you look on the 50-minute time frame here, where was it? The only one I could really kind of see was here. This close, and I got this actually. I got this. Actually, I might have even got it on this close, you know. Let me check. I checked yesterday. But anyway, yeah. So this candle here, 130, closed below. Completely resistant support, which is like around here, right at that level. Made a little wick. When we exceeded the low, I entered. My stop loss, because I couldn't put it over any candles, I actually just kind of put it here, just 10 pips right here at the daily flip. And then what I was targeting was here. So you can see there's a support right here, and that's exactly where price went. So for me, it was worth it because we had volume, and I got about 17 pips straight away, really. So that was a really good trade. That week is too slow. Yeah, it's been alright. But yeah, we are in a range at the moment. That's fine. Let's look at a few points here so we can see that. Let's just get my annotation tools out. Put them here. So you can see that we do have this clear resistance right at these highs, which has just been respected at that point here. Which is fine. So buys will be above this region, but we'll do a fresh analysis right now. So let me just clear everything. Right, here we go. So fresh analysis right here. We'll move everything. Okay. So daily time frame. Let's have a look at the daily that closed yesterday. You can see that yesterday we closed bullish. Hello AM. So we closed bullish, which is good. So daily time frame bullish. Let's just write this here. I want to be able to pin this message like on the right hand side, so it's always on the right hand side, like over here, but I don't know how you do that. So in any time frame it's always like there.
Oh, you mean like on a line?
Yeah, like just like there, and like I can. So if I go to the 4 hour and the daily, look, it's not there anymore.
Double click the line.
Oh.
Double click and then go on text.
Jeez.
Yeah.
You know the score. Fuck. There we go. Oh wait, sorry, daily.
And
Flip.
pick like the right side.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, text alignment. So bottom. What does a bottom mean?
Bottom, It's like the top.
Oh, there. That's at the top. Okay, I'll get rid of my one. Let's get rid of that. Ah, sick. Okay, fucking wicked. So 4 hour as well here. 4 hour is bearish. We do have two contradicting higher time frames, which is fine. But also shows that we are respecting it. 1 second here. Why is this yellow line here? Why is this blue line here? There we go. So you can see that two higher time frames are against each other. The 4 hour is bullish, and sorry, the 4 hour is bearish, and the daily is bullish. So we need to wait until those kind of converge, which will give us more of an opportunity. Let's do this. This is the 4 hour flip. So, oh shit. Top right, nice. Okay, that's really good. So we've got our zones here, so we know exactly what we're looking for really now. You know, we need to see the daily either turning bearish to look for sells, or we need to have the 4 hour turning bullish to look for buys. But you can see here we are printing barcode on the higher time frames, but with our London volume we should be alright. So let's go to the lower time frames here, 30 minute. I have a swig of this before it gets cold. Eat something and speak louder. Your voice come too low. My voice is low, is it? Is my voice low? Let me check OBS, or is your camera just? No, my voice is pretty loud. I think. People in the chat, is my voice okay? So let's actually identify some zones here. We can see the clear zone is either here or here, but I'm going to preferably do right down here. For the higher time frame one. Good morning. Good morning in Zoom as well. Well, 5 likes already in the chat, so great. So you can kind of see here, we also have a little support here. It's quite choppy, I'm not gonna lie. So you can maybe see like there is some supports here as well. Let me just see here. Trying to see where they align. Yeah, this is very choppy, so I'm actually going to delete this line completely. I'll only be looking for sells below here, I think. Because there's so many wicks. I mean, if you had some volume and you passed maybe 150, 400, it could look alright. But for me, it's not looking the best. We are in a clear range here. But for buys, we can see here easily in the hourly time frame, we have a resistance at this level here. So I'm going to be looking for buys at 150, 700. So buys above 157.40. I think that is there. Because this is the clear resistance we have right now. So if you do break it, we'll be good. Wow, 80 likes in the stream. If you guys haven't sent charts already, make sure to do that in the Discord or in the group chat. Sorry. And I can get them looked at. Someone is saying head and shoulders. Let's have a look and see if there is a head and shoulders. Let's try and draw this out. So this is the first shoulder. Okay. Then we've got the head. Now we've got the next shoulder. That looks like fucking Patrick of SpongeBob. Holy fuck. But yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so knowing that it might continue to be a head and shoulder, that's great. Getting into sells now is risky though, because you know there's support here, there's support here, there's support here. So preferably we need to wait for a closure below here. So even though you do have a head and shoulders kind of set up, you know, sells are only really valid when price maybe starts to come here. Obviously this is not going to be just one candle. Make its top wick, and then fill up this wick here, and then fill back down to this zone here. That's what I'm probably going to be looking for. But specifically in this little tight zone we are in right here, there's no trades because 4 hour is bearish, daily is bullish, and they're very close to each other. It's not like the daily's like fucking down here. So if they're very tight, then I don't even look at the other option. Come on, man, bring that mic closer. Can you guys not hear? Oh, is the music too loud? Maybe. Can someone in the chat tell me if the mic is actually bad? That's these two fucking not clear, no trade, just more information. Yes, sir.
What did you say, bro?
I'm asking the YouTube chat if my mic is alright.
I think your mic is fine.
Yeah, I did think. Yeah, mic's good, man. Yeah, I did think it's alright. Capital Guy, do you use headphones, mate? Ooh, okay. So the daily's gonna be flipping right now. Look at this. Ooh, look at that resistance we're creating here. Okay, okay. Damn. It's just this traffic, bro. But you know, with volume, 20 minutes time, could be okay for some sales. So let's see this measurement here. Yeah, 20 pips for here. So I mean, if you get a closure like solidly maybe here and have a wick up, and I want like a nice wick up, and then to exceed, then I may look for sales and just expect price of London volume to push below these ranges. Oh, that's why you're on open speakers, bro. Headphones are the way. So see, someone says GA is better. So we'll have a look at that as well, and then we'll check some charts in the Discord. So if you guys are new to here and you haven't been added to the Discord, the link is in this video. The link is everywhere. Make sure you go check it out. GA. Oh wow, some bearish time frames here. Okay, okay. 4 hours bullish though. 4 hour, as you can see here, is coming towards the 4 hour resistance right at this zone here. So we need to see where it reacts. If we get a closure above at this 4 hour, we'll be heading back up. If we do some kind of resistance and then start to print down like this, then we'll be continuing down the bearish zones. So that's kind of like a head and shoulder as well. It's a very, very key level that we're at right now, and that's why I think volume and price is kind of just waiting on it, hitting this high resistance right there. So we just need to chill. Yeah, I wouldn't really do a full GA because I don't really do GA, but I do GU USD. Alright, get these lines off. Right, so GU, let's start on this from scratch. How is everyone anyway? Is anyone up on the week? Who's red? Who's in the blue? Make sure to tell me.
So far, I'm in the reds. I'm only taking one trade this week.
One trade.
4 pips.
That's not bad at all, though.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad at all. It's
been a slow week.
Yeah. Not too bad though.
I just need one trade.
Yeah. Slight profits for the week, Kelsey said. That's good. That's good.
That's good.
Right. What the fuck? Change it. Oh, there. Here we go. Move this out the way, boy. That's good then. Slight profits is better than 70% of people. All good. 6.37% for this week. That's really, really good. That's a pretty accurate thing we should be getting. I know we aim for like 4. If there's a nice gold 100 pip move, then it's more like 24. But if you catch them 100 pips, it's fucking worth it. Like just waiting at 1/2 for 15 minutes. If you backtest that for the past 2 weeks, you would have made like fucking 500 pips. I'm always out. It's annoying.
I feel like you could really hold gold from London to New York. I feel like a lot lately, when holding gold from like New York on, like a lot of times you just get spiked back down at break even.
Yeah.
It continues on, but
yeah, facts, man. Wow, yeah. So choppy again for GU. You can see there is a certain support right here. But as I said again, similar for this one, buys above 137,300 will be looking better. You can't really get up here. We're making a little resistance at this point right here. You can see price couldn't close before here. We came all the way up, nearly tapped the daily flip, and then boom. So it looks pretty bearish for us. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We've got 15 minutes left. See where this candle closes. Preferably, I'm gonna be waiting for this hourly because we're in this range here. If this hourly candle, because if you look in the hourly time frame, it's a bit cleaner. You can see clearly here we have the hourly supports at this level. 1 second here. Hourly support, hourly support, hourly support here. So if we get a closure below this hourly support quite strong and make a nice top wick and then start flipping, that could be an opportunity, because you have volume and you have both time frames now will be in bearish, so it's fine. It's looking good for sells. But need to take into fact that it is in a range. If we do get some sells from here, let's have a look. Let's measure the distance here. Yeah, 20 pips and 40 pips. Not too bad, not too bad. Right, let's take a look at some gold. We'll do gold as well. Let's see what's in the chart. First week in the blue. Being very picky now. Very, very good. Being picky is a very, very good thing to do. You don't have to trade many trades a day. If you're picky and you're quite consistent, then you're good. I'm very picky. The pickier the better, because you could do less trades, so you know you're risking less money, but you also have higher percentage wins if you're doing it correctly. So let's have a look. Oh, sorry, this is GJ. I need to go in gold. Goldie, goldie. Here we go. My buys above 1805 would have worked yesterday. 1806, I think it was. Yeah, this candle here at half one again. See, fucking half one candles. I'm telling you. But still, it was quite choppy. That's rough. That. So what are we doing now? We've actually came down here. Let's just start from scratch. Let's look at the daily time frame here. Daily is pretty bearish, and the last one closed bearish as well. Oh wow, we've run quite nicely. Fucking hell. So this is the daily flip. The 4-hour flip is here. Okay. So you actually broke pretty far down from them regions up there. Let's go into the lower time frames here. Give us a bit of a bigger picture. So we can start to see that we have a resistance level at a 1797. So if you do get closures above 1797, then we're going to be heading up to the next zone, and the next zone is up here, 1800. So that's 30 pips, which isn't too bad. We also have a certain support at these lows, and we actually have a wick to fill, which is nearly 20 pips, which is good, and that will end up coming back down to these zones here. So we've got a nice, we've already identified our zones here. This is 36 pips, and up here is 28, and then up to 47. So really, really good zones here. So wait for breaks above and below, and we should be good. The only issue is that the daily is very, very strong bearish, and the 4-hour is bullish. So, and it's just turned bearish, which is okay. Just okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Wait for sells below here. 1793 could be a good option.
I agree.
And it's quite clean to the left as well, so it could be nice. So let's just take a look at Discord. If you guys are new to the stream here, make sure to give it a like and a follow. Subscribe, sorry. We are getting a Magic Keys giveaway with 1,000 subs. Wow, look at this. People are joining already. 741 people are joining. Fully from the stream. Nice. So let's have a look at charts for the stream here, guys. Today, 6:52, Stephen has done a GU. Waiting for a clear break above, close above to fill the next zone. Also be the daily flip. Strong resistance through as 4-hour candles failing to close above. Yep, I think that's exactly where I drew my zones. So waiting for a 30-minute or a 50-minute closure above this zone would be great. You got nice wicks to fill. You got a nice zone. So this is about, yeah, it's about 10-15 pips. Not too bad. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I always love hot them, so you know I've looked at them if you guys went on stream. EZU has posted a chart as well, looking for GJ buys and sells below 15300, which is what I identified, which is good. Get this fucking ad off, bro. And then buys above 157.50, which is exactly what I said as well. So really, really nice. He's got the daily on here. He's got the, I think these lines are the dailies and the 4 hours. So sells below 15300. He's going to be break even at 260. This is really, really good. So the reason why he's going to be break even at that point is because if we look here, we are coming to fill the wicks here and here. So there's no point in getting into a trade at this point, getting to this zone and having your stop loss not a break even, because it could reject at that point. Obviously he's just expecting that with volume and stuff like that, with London volume, we're going to be continuing down. But to be safe and to be, you know, reserved, you have to have your stop loss when you could be rejected, because that would be silly. If this came all the way down, he's in 4 or 5 pips profit and stuff, hitting these wicks and not having a break even, and then it runs all the way back up and you just took a losing trade. It's not good. So really solid trades here. But yeah, guys, if you haven't posted in this chat, make sure you do. Just chart for the stream, London session in the Discord. Exactly thing. Buys above here, 157.30, nice. Sells below one. So risky sells. He's saying there's more of a risk because there's lots of wicks at 370. Potential sells below 150, 147. Yes, that's beautiful. And then it can fill this range which you have here. I'd say more the ranges like this, just to try and tighten your stuff. So yeah, you do have a support here, but you also have a support here, where that wick touched right here. So yeah, amazing chart. So you're literally just waiting here. This is called a waiting game. Discord is a mission. Have to email links to myself and copy and paste into Discord. Wait, what? Email? No, you can just wait. Discord is a mission. I have to email links to myself then copy and paste into Discord. Why don't you just do this? Wait. You just go on TradingView like this. You press this link and then copy image, copy chart image, I think, and then you just go to Discord is an app. For what? For computer. It can be an app, but I'm pretty sure you can just have it on the web, the browser as well. But yeah, it's an app on here. And then look, you just press Control V. Is it? Yeah, you just press Control V, and then there's mine. Doesn't take long. It's literally that link. You just whack it in. Discussion. Okay, AP is looking for gold buys with a 30-minute close above clean range. Ooh, okay. 1796. Okay. Is that where I've looked for? Let's have a look here. We'll take a look. When did he post that chart in? Let's have a look. I think he said up here. So you waited for closures. I think that's what he did. Yep. Yeah, okay, so that's good. I think he didn't get that closure in 4 minutes. I think it rejected it. But yeah, that's a good potential. If you do get a solid close above there, you could be looking for some buys. Amazing. Legit never realized you could have it on your computer. I've only ever used it on my phone. No, computer's better as well. It just works better. But anyway, Kelsey, even if you don't want to send it in there, you can just send it in here, in the YouTube chat. So yeah, gold at the moment, not too much. GJ on the other hand, let's have a look at this 15. Yeah, so it's holding support right here. And hopefully we can be blasting off. Also, someone messaged me yesterday. I'll try and find the Instagram. I'm going to do a video on it because I still don't think people get it. I think people are finding it hard to do. Yeah, okay, so this is it. So this is fine. I think you'll be happy with me doing this. So he's asking how much I make a month, and I'm like, oh, 20% around about. And then he goes, by the way, with 10 pips, how is usually your calculations and maths to get an average of 20% a month? Is that usually because of the runners, which sometimes gives out some wild profits and making our losses negligible? I go, no, it's from the 10 to 20 pips a day. And he didn't get it. So he says, how's the calculation for that, brother? Sometimes I'm confused at how can I do that with 10 pips. If you make a YouTube on this, I'll much appreciate it. So really good question for people. I don't think people can get that. And this is kind of how the marketing side of Forex and how people market themselves to sell you something, use the pips as a kind of I'm better than this person, but when actually it really isn't. It's not that at all. I'll do a quick example here, but if you're swinging, okay, so if you're swinging and I've just took a buy at this point right here, So if I take a buy here and I'm swinging, so I'm like, right, you know, we're making support again. As long as you don't pass this low right here, we're going to be good. And we're going to be targeting up here, etc. So on a percentage risk base, so if you've got a £1,000 account and you're going to risk 1% per trade, okay? Look at this measurement here. So we have a 42 pip trade, okay? And we are aiming for 82 pips around about this thing here. So 40 pip stop loss and 80 pip gain, okay? Now, face value, you know, you're like, oh, cool, 80 pips, that's pretty good. But you need to look at how much you're risking. So, for example, someone taking this trade with a 40 pip stop loss has 4 times less, so he has a quarter of the risk of the lot size that I should be using if you're using the same account. So if I'm using a £1,000 account and I'm risking, you know, £10 a trade, which is 1%, okay, I can use a 0.1 lot if I'm risking 10%. The person who's doing this should be using a 0.25 lot. So you can see it's a quarter of my lot size because of the risk. So for example, if you both risk 1% here, I've got a 10 pip stop loss, which is here. He's got a 40 pip one. He's using a quarter amount of lot size as me if we're risking the same. And obviously if we're talking here and he gets 80 pips, face value, 80 pips looks really good. Oh, fucking sick, 80 pips, you are the killer of GJ or killer of whatever. But actually all he really did was do a trade like me, where I've had a 10 pip stop loss and made a 20 pip gain. That's all it is, because my stop loss is 10 pips, which is risking 1%. My gain is 20 pips, which is 2%. Here is stop loss 40 pips at 1%. It's gone to 80 pips, which is 2%. So it's exactly the same. So, and this can be put in any single measurement. So for example, if someone, you know, someone's like saying on Instagram, oh, I just made 1,000 pips, okay? Let's have a look here. So someone maybe swinging this, right? So they have a 100 pip stop loss right here, 100 pip stop. And then they take profits, bearing in mind they could be holding this for weeks, up all the way up here. So let's have a look here. So a 200 pip gain, which is like just about here, this resistance, okay? And that could take numerous days or weeks. This is exactly the same as me taking a 5 pip stop loss trade in a 10 pip gain. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward if you're using the same risk, which you should be if you know correct risk management. That's all it is. So I'm going to do a video on that because I think people need to understand that it doesn't matter how many pips you gained, it's how much you risked and how much you lost, how much were you going to lose on the trade. There's no point saying I've just gained 1,000 pips but you risked 500. Like that's like a 20 pip trade with a 10 pip stop loss. It's very, very key, especially people who are new, because they're like, oh, like, you know, Raja only gets 10 pips, or, you know, you got 100 pips on gold every so often, but Raja only gets 10 pips a day. So, and this guy on Instagram gets 1,000. Well, yeah, it's just, how much stop loss did he use? Probably 500, like, mad. In and out quick math, 10 pips get money out market. Yeah, exactly, and the 10 pips if you do consistently. So for example, people who are doing 100 pip trades, 200 pip trades, it may take them all week, which is 5 days. If I make 20 pips a day doing 2 trades 5 days a week, that's 100 pips as well, and it's actually risking 100 pips. Facts, bro, sometimes my stop on GU is 3 pips and I close at 6 pips. It's still the same as someone catching 100 pips with a 50 pip stop. People are mad. Exactly. So it doesn't matter about it. You need to be relative to how much you're risking. And that's why, you know, a lot of people like us are happy taking 10 pips because we risk 2% on it. So you risk 2% on it, you've gained 2% in literally 10 seconds. Whereas someone going for a 100 pip trade may have to hold that for all week. And if there's one news, if you're holding this all week, it's going to get to TP, but you can't close TP because, you know, it's so far away and you want the, you know, the 2-to-1 risk to reward. One piece of news comes out 4 days later and now your whole analysis is shagged and you just had a break-even trade. Well done, you just wasted a week. Like, so that's why kind of it doesn't really work. So you can still see here, guys, the daily is really respecting this resistance right here. Let's have a look at all of these candles. Ooh, look at this 15 minute. 15-minute celery play. Ooh, it's a bit risky here though, I suppose. But this 30-minute close is a bit further down. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's really key to get this day to flip again. But it's really hard in this barcode zone, to be honest. I kind of wanted this hourly to close a lot further down, like more like here to look for sells. Oh wow, we've pulled up quite nicely there. We actually haven't even checked news today. Let me just check it. Nothing. Great. That's good then. Ooh, look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. Gold closing below. Facts. Okay. Hopefully we can get a little top wick over here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. So, how to take gold? Well, you have to wait for this closure. It's the start of the hourly. The hourly needs to make a top wick. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, keep on running up. Keep on running up. Oh, now we're flipping. Ooh, how can my sell be in place right here? So it's made its top wick up here.
For me, I need a deeper top wick.
Yeah.
Because the 15-minute kind of closed right as support.
Yeah, let me just tighten this over at this point. Okay. Okay, so if we get on the flip right here, I may want to do it exceeding these lows right here. It's a good risk to reward, I'm telling you. So keep an eye on this, guys. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Oh, salary play on GJ. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, this is looking good. Ooh, salary play could be nice here. Let's have a look. It's just we didn't get a close below this region, which is a bit annoying. Look at the 15-minute. We have exceeded the low of the previous already. How would your stops be at this point? 9 pips, 8, and then back down to 19. Open calc, yeah. I think gold's looking a bit better. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna start recording now because this is a perfect trade that I'll be looking to enter. So at this point, guys, I think I'm going to put a sell stop below here. So this is going to be a sell stop. Let's move this. Center. Yeah, so I got a sell stop right there. Actually, I don't actually. Yeah, let me do it. Market pending. Here we go. And it'll just depend on this high here, and then stop loss is gonna be good. Good morning, everyone. I just entered a gold buy. What the fuck? I mean, fair enough, it's running, but damn. Look at this hourly. Ooh, nah, this hourly's closed below support, bro. I'm happy for sells soon. So it's gone up 10 pips. That's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, 30-minute closed below support. I was looking to use the 15-minute stops, and then yeah, I was like, nah, I'll use the current candle on the 30-minute.
Yeah, use current candles. For sure. Let me just do something. Where's F7? Here we go. Alright. There we go. So I wanted to feed those wicks. It's only like 9343. Oh, don't put my stop loss there. Fuck. And then I'm gonna have a look for TPs and stuff in a second. I'm just getting this all ready. Oh shit, we're starting to run nearly. Oh, we're gonna be flipping, guys. Have I recorded this? Oh yes, I have. So I got a sell stop. Maybe you should put it a bit lower. Maybe like this point over here.
I got mine at the break of the lows, or the previous lows.
Yeah.
Just for extra confirmation.
Good idea. Good idea. So if I get in right here about this line here, yeah, 14 pips for 15, 16 pip. We've got closures below. Clean candles, bro. Clean candles. Fuck. 35 pips. So let me move my stop loss. This is the way I'm targeting. So kind of 8, 9. So let's have a look here. That'll be nice as long as you respect the current candle highs. So this one here, no, sorry, the previous 50-minute. We should be looking for sales. As long as we come back in and start flipping this candle, it's going to be a really nice trade here. For sure, and I got my magic keys ready, boy. Should be good, should be good. Nice like 15 pip stop, not too bad at all. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Yeah, make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already. We do this every single day, growing every single day. I'm gonna have some guests on soon, which is gonna be good. Should be nice. Enter the GU short at 13279 with a 1% risk on 20 pips. TP at 15. Fucking hell, 1527. That's quite far. Damn. Damn. So let's just see what we've got. 9 minutes left for this candle. It's not too bad at all. Let's look at this hourly. Oh yeah, this hourly is looking tasty. I'm liking that top wick up. And then, so we made the top wick. We should start flipping, and it'll be good. 4-hour time frame. Nice. Let's see if we've got any more charts on Discord. Let's just check it out. No more charts on Discord. All good, all good. You're also on a GJ buy, 155.40. Let's have a look here. Wow. I don't know how you could have got into buys here, but damn. I'm looking for buys above 157.40 right here. I want to get a closure, at least a 30 or 15-minute closure above, which could take a couple more minutes, maybe like half an hour or another hour. 30 likes in the stream, 30 viewers in the stream, amazing stuff. Nice for a Wednesday, middle of the week, gang. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. You need to push down, boy. Yeah, if you're in GJ buys, I mean, I'd have your stop loss to break even because we're coming towards resistances. You can see at this point we've got resistances here. Resistances here. So, you know, even though there's volume, you need to be careful here. And then having your stops at break even makes you careful. So, make sure you do that. But yeah, I'm currently looking for gold if people are looking. 15-minute broke the high. Yeah, that's fine. And it's flipped the 4-hour. So yeah, it looks good. But I don't know why you'd keep your trade on with full stop loss when you could have it at break even right now. And it should, if you're expecting price to break these levels, then why would you need your stop loss to be here? You know, you should have it at break even. Oh, here we go. Look at this strong candle here. Damn it, I was in a short up 14 pips, but it flipped. Oh, a short on GJ. You're up 14 pips. This is why you need to take some profits, bro. I'm telling you. I'm waiting for this candle to flip. Oh, 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 oh. So this is a really, really good opportunity for gold to give me some pips here. So stop loss will be here. Not bad at all. And to drive down to the next zone, which is like 30-40 pips. And then runners would be all the way down here actually. Okay, so we are flipping it now currently. I've got it in a bit lower. Are you in, Antonio?
Yeah, I just got triggered.
Nice, I'm not in yet. I'm still waiting.
I got in at 1793.41.
Nice. Yeah, I wanted to give it a bit more room before it kind of starts to. But it's looking good. I'd take this.
The spreads got me in. Yeah.
Ah, the spreads. Yeah.
The spreads got me in. Yeah.
What do you trade? What broker do you trade on right now?
Funding talent and KO2.
Oh, KO2. Yeah. I was thinking I'm on IC market, so this bitch tight spreads, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
Spreads on gold.
Huh?
How tight are your spreads on gold?
Literally, if I got into let me check on my phone. 1 second, it's easier. It is. There is actually zero spread. So if you look here, so buy and a sell. Buy and a sell is literally. Wait, let's bring it off the top. It's literally about the same. So if I bought and sold at the same time, it's literally the same price. Fucking hell. Oh, it's changing a bit now. Yeah, it's about 1 pip, I'd say, on average. Just mate, IC markets is fucking fire, I'm telling you.
Yeah, that is fire.
Shit fire. It's because it's the biggest one, it's the biggest provider, so it's just it can have really tight ones. Shared my TA on Discord charts for stream. Nice. I'll take a look at that. Someone said, yeah, I know. I should have took everything on 11-12 pips. After that seemed like it rejected low on 30 minutes. Spreads on FTMO is 3 pips on majors. Oh, that's rough. That's fucking rough. 3 pips and you're in for like 10 minutes. Just shit. Ooh, GG got a close blow as well. Nice. Okay. Right, let's have a look here. I'm just looking at, so we've just got 4 minutes left for gold, right? I'm trying to think if I maybe wait for the next candle. So 3 minutes left. Celery play could be good. Do. 5 minutes is starting to print though. I think it's definitely a good option. Oh, we're flipping. Is this going to be the entry? My thing is at 1793.36. Wow, really holding that level. So if you look here on the minute time frame, yeah, we're really tapping it. This is the one that got you in, probably, isn't it? How the fuck did mine not get? Oh shit, it's activated now. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Right, guys. So stop loss is above the current high, and I am targeting these lows, and I'm targeting this wick right here. How am I gonna manage risk? Ooh, maybe exceeding these highs right here might take off a little percentage. Wow, I just looked right and I was like, shit, I'm in this trade, boy. This is a really good option now, guys. If we get a like in this, if you get a dub in the stream, make sure to like it. If we get a managed risk trade, we should also get a like in the stream. So price now starting to push down. Yeah, managing risk on the 5 minutes. So if you start exceeding these highs right here, so 9417, I'll be taking off some. But you know, perfect now. We're getting another closure below in a minute 30 time. We should be good. Make sure to like the stream, guys. This is, you know, some education for you guys. Make sure to like the stream. Really helps out to gain a new audience, bro. Be nice. Here we go, up about 3
I'm
pips.
about to be at break even. Yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna wait a bit more. I think it's got a,
Yeah.
I think it's got a bit
It's
more
right
volume.
I
You-
just need like a.
Yeah. To be fair, yeah, you got in like 3 pips before me, so I'm still happy to hold this on. 20 likes in the stream, amazing stuff, guys. So yeah, at this point, especially at these levels, my stop loss is gonna be a break even. Oh yeah. Target the wick fill and be careful. We can have a solid retracement. Yes, sir. Exactly. So that's why the wick fill, I'll be having stop loss to break even very, very soon. At this point, I'm up about.
I'm at break even now.
Jeez. Still not enough for me. I'm only up like 3 pips. Come on, boy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Need that little more push, boy. So it's gonna close in 15 seconds time. Fuck. Nice. Obviously, we're gonna have to make this top wick with a 15. Hopefully, we can get the 10 pips before then. Amazing, Antonio. Well done. Well done.
Appreciate it, brother.
Wait, did you get 10 pips there?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm still up around like 5 pips.
Jeez. So as long as this 15-minute doesn't go, I'm alright to keep it. To keep the zone at this point. So we need to hold this top wick, which is unfortunate. We'll have to see. We'll have to see.
I got hit out break even.
That's all good. It's all good. I'm still managing risk at this point here. 9-4. I really expect this 5-minute to start to flip.
Oh, yeah, you good. If that's the top wick, you're good.
Now push down, bitch.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah, boy. Push down, motherfucker. Push down. Flip that bitch. Flip that bitch. Hell yeah. Ah, motherfucker. Flip that motherfucker. So this 15-minute, yeah, not too bad. I'm still happy to hold. I'm managing risk at this point, so here I'll be taking some off. But as long as this candle flips, we've got 40 minutes left, so we're all good. We're all good. But at this point, I'll be taking off 50% at nearly 6 or 7 pips. We should start to drive down now.
Yeah, we should. Once you break the lows, you're perfect.
Yeah, boy. Fucking flip
Same
that.
thing that happened to you yesterday just happened to me.
Yeah, fucking getting twatted by the flip and then
Right.
mate, GJ fucked me in the ass yesterday. I was so annoyed. I'd have been fucking, and I would have held that bitch on as well.
Bro, I tell you.
Right, come on, flip, my boy.
That's the art of trading.
Yeah. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 45 viewers, amazing. If this candle flips here, this is what I'm expecting to see price do. Okay, so made this top wick right now. Start to flip here. Fill up this wick. This will be TP. And then hopefully we can continue with the runner. We have to wait here because it's got 50 minutes left, so we've got a lot of time to make its top wick and then start to fall. I'm still happy to keep on this trade as long as we stay above this kind of zone. 1794 is where I'll be taking some percentage off, but I'm happy to keep on this trade at this point. We should exceed the low, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, boy. I'm only up like 3 pips, so I really can't do anything with break even and stuff yet, really. Which is fine. Oh, another fucking advert. Wow, 44 views in the stream, amazing stuff. But yeah, as I said here, I'm only thinking about how I can manage risk, which is going to be, you know, up here. 1794. Get this fucking ad off. There we go. You need a flip, boy! Good thing is 12 minutes, so perfect for me. This 30 minutes and 12 minutes time, if it doesn't close below, like this one closes back in the range, I'll be taking off my position. This 5 minute needs to flip, boy. Come on. Don't do me dirty like that. GJ question mark. Let's have a look. There is nothing on GJ because it is a fucking barcode. It was a barcode on the 4 hour, it's a barcode on the hourly, it's a barcode on the 30 minute. There's no trade. Okay? Looks awful. Look at it. Shit nasty. But that's completely fine. What's R? What do you mean? What is my R to R or what is R to R? Risk to reward. How much you're risking to how much you're going to be gaining. Oh, you're so close to flip it, and then you come back up, bro. The fuck? But yeah, so I'll be managing risk at 400. I've got it on my other monitor, so I'll just keep that there. So yeah, GJ will be coming back up. But yeah, buys above here, 157.40 will be preferable for me. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Still in this gold sell at this point. Still waiting for my 10 pips, or waiting for my like 5-6 pip loss from managing risk. So by the way, people who are managing, I'm going to be using this magic keys. My link for my magic keys is actually on my Instagram now. I finally got an affiliate link, which is good. So let's have a look how this candle closed. One second. It closed like 4 minutes ago. I didn't really check it. I still got 10 minutes. Yeah, we closed below. I'm happy. I'm happy to keep this on. 46 viewers, amazing for a Wednesday, guys. Make sure to follow, subscribe to the channel. I haven't seen any subscribe notifications today. I missed that noise, man. The brum. 49 viewers, amazing. So if you're new here, guys, I'm in a gold sell right at this point. Oh shit, boy! Oh shit, boy! Right, come on.
Let's go.
Get pumping, motherfucker. Right, okay, I'm off like 6 pips, not too bad. I'm on a little bit of a run up. Come on. We've exceeded the low now, bitch. Come on. Fucking push down, come on. Right, what am I going to do now? Let's have a look at this 5 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to actually put my stops to break even, I think. I think it's safe for me to put my stop loss. Oh, could I? Let's have a look. Oh, I've still got 9 minutes left, bro.
Did you get your 5 pips?
No, I haven't, still haven't secured yet. Ooh, I should have my stop loss to break even there. So I said at 400 I'll be taking some off right here. So about this level, so the 5 minute right up here. But it looks like it's going to be closing back. If in 3 minutes time, if this 5 minute closes back in, we're taking them off right at that point. Because I don't like that. But the 15 minutes still got a lot of time to make us top wick and then to come down. But you can see we're starting to hold the support right here. I was going to have my stops to break even. But I was only at 5 pips to be fair. Just about 5 pips anyway. Yeah, so this has got 8 minutes left, so I'm still happy to hold that. Close my position in gold with this small win. Congrats, congrats. Could have had 2, but oh well. Also got magic keys on screen awaiting my physical. It's so cool, man. Yes, sir. It's very, very helpful. I've just subbed. Oh shit, I didn't see it. I heard the thing. Well, welcome, mate. Welcome, Nathan. Thank you for subbing to the channel. Hope you enjoy it. I'll go 50% off now. So for me now, we are starting to turn here, and I'm gonna get some pips, boy. Sheesh. Right, stop loss at break even at this point. I'm gonna take some off as well. Where's my thing? Close half. Let's have a look. Push down, you motherfucker. I don't want you to stay up anymore. Hell no. Nah, I got my stops to break even, but I think we should start pushing down now. Right, I'm going to take some profits off right now at this point. Closing half. Nice. Okay. And let the rest run. So we got a W in the chat, guys. We got a W. I'm going to be seeing W's in the chat. We better be seeing them, boys. And we can do a little clap noise. Yes. Amazing. Amazing. It took us time though, but well done, well done. Let's get them W's in. Let's get an Instagram post. Oh, I'm still actually in my runner. Damn, son. Wow, guys, we just got a gold sell. We got a break below. We got a entry on the flip. Got about 8 pips here, and I've got a nice runner on. We came up to this wick here and we were rejecting, so that's why I closed a bit earlier. But I've got a little runner on, and we got doubles and W's in the chat. And my trade is still on, but it's gonna be taken out very, very soon. I think. Let's just have a look at that. So amazing. Just got a snipe on that retrace on gold. Nice. I just took out my runner right there. Lovely. So it was a bit choppy, to be honest. It did take its time, but it finally did do it, which is really, really good. Happy with that. For sure. So lovely. Let's do that again. We just got a W in the chat on the London stream. We got gold sells breaking past these lows here. Got a nice 8 pips. My runners just got hit out. But yeah, W's in the chat. 44 viewers, 22 likes. Amazing stuff, guys. Can you explain the gold sell? Sure thing. I'll explain the gold sell when I get 25 likes. Make sure you like the stream, guys. That'll really help me out. Oh, hello, Tristek. www. So basically what I was showing here is I'll show you exactly how I got into this trade here. So the hourly was the one that I actually liked. So this hourly candle here closed below all of these wicks. You see all of these wicks didn't close solidly. Are you still holding? No. My runner got stopped out at break even. This 30-minute candle now, you know, closing in 5 minutes time. We aren't closing below support unless we finally get it, which will be nice. But the reason why I like this is because this 15-minute closing solid bearish below the support that we were looking for. Now this wick up, when this wick starts flipping back and exceeding these lows, so we had some candles here. When we start exceeding, that was the entry, and I had like a 15 pip stop, and I got TP at 10 pips. So that's kind of how I did it. But the volume worked very, very nicely. Bro, where are you from? Newcastle in the UK. Oh, by the way, I went to Manchester a couple of days ago, and I really liked it there. I really liked it. It's fire, like it's so big, like this, like it was just nice. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. Big city, fucking huge. Look at this GJ. Nothing on GJ. Okay, it's absolutely no trade in GJ. But for gold, however, if this candle does start closing again bullish back in the zone, then we know we are rejecting this. How old are you? I am 21. 21. Let's just do this. OBS. So trades taken. Gold sells. I actually did see 10 pips. So whoever caught that trade as well, well done, well done. Really, really solid trade there. Thank you for subscribing, by the way, Nathan. That's good stuff. 32 likes in the stream. Amazing. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's get it to 50 likes if we can. 47 viewers. So, 3 minutes time. If this candle does close like this, what are we doing? Someone tell me in the chat. I want some more. I want more people in the chat to tell me. So, if this candle closes like this, if I show you this for a second. If this candle closes back up here, what is that going to be telling us with these? It's got 3 minutes time. Does magic keys work on Mac? I don't think so. I think you need to use the power. Like you can split it. You can split the Mac into a Windows, and then you can use Windows on it. But that's not with the new ones. Yeah, it'll be a fake out. It's also closing back in the range, and then no, not. There'll be no buys. One candle closure back in here doesn't mean any buys. It just means that we are holding support, a very, very strong support. And yeah, it could be a liquidity grab to then to continue up, but the main thing is that if you get this closure, is a fake out and we close it back in this range, and you know the sell zone valid at that point. It's holding support. Wow, amazing trade there, guys. So we still, guys, and if you go back in my my YouTubes, on all of my streams the past 2 weeks, I think I've taken 2 losses. Even that, maybe 1. I think I've taken 2 losses, and one of them was like 3 pips. So you know, good stuff. And there's a lot of ones that I've missed. There's been a lot of GJ trades, but it's because they've had a lot of volume and it wasn't to my plan. But you can see there, you know, sticking to your plan, waited for this close below, and very, very nice. Are you done for the day? Hell no, hell no. Well, to be fair. After the stream, I will be done today because I'm out. Actually, 11:30. Now I might be back in time, but I'm going to like a wildlife park, like a Yorkshire wildlife park. So that'd be cool. but I'll still be I'll still be looking for buys above GJ at this level, so 157.40. So I'll be doing that there. So maybe if I'm busy, I'll get a notification, see if you get a closure. Oh shit! I did not mean to put it there. What the fuck? I need an alert here, boy. Here we go. Five, no, 0.720. Here we go. So an alert just gives me a little bing, a little ring when we do it. Let's have a look at. Oh, I think gold's pushed down still. Damn. Yeah, bro. So, but look at this candle closing in 26 seconds time. If it closes weak bullish, if it closes weak bearish, it doesn't give you much confirmation for more sells to continue. And our target really was around this area with these wicks, and that's what we've got. But look at this, the 30-minute is still closing below. So for sells, there is still a good option for sells here. For sure. Ooh, this is nice. So look, 30-minute closure below. Nice strong level. Wait for the wick up and then maybe continue. The only issue is that you got quite not much volume until you get to here, but there's still good selling potential here. So how would you get in? Yeah, maybe more of a top wick, to be honest. Exceeding the lows with the current highs could be a suggestion, but it'd be quite tight. But look at this, 30-minute closure below, really, really solid. GJ pushing up. Is it up to my zone yet? Nope. So yeah, GJ's pushing up, but you need to always try and think of things that could go wrong. Well, if you look here, you can see a lot of things that could go wrong. Let's just go a bit further here. Oh shit. You can see that we have candle resistance here, we have resistance right here, we have resistance here. Look at all these wicks. Wicks. So what is going to happen here? We don't know. We'll only know when we get a closure above here to then continue our buys, which would be like this. And the next one makes a lower wick. Wait, sorry, this needs to make a lower wick like this. Next one opens like here, makes the lower wick, and then starts exceeding, and that is the trade idea. Because getting in too early is just bad. I mean, someone on my Instagram yesterday on one of my things said this. Wait, where is it? Let's look here. Let's have a look down. Comments. Wait, is there no comments? What the fuck? There's definitely comments on here. I'll piss off. I want to see the comments, bro. I think I'll look at them. But anyway, the comment was, but you'll miss the train. I was like, well, no, you won't. Oh, wow, look at this. So, GJ hit, gold hit our target. So, if you held that on, pretty ballsily, damn. So, if I held it on here at 400, still wouldn't have came, would have had a little bit of drawdown here. But apart from that, we're good. And now we've hit full TP here. Well, no, not full TP. Full TP is down here, but we've hit, where you should be closing some. So if you're in gold sells at this point, you should be taking some off, or at least having your stop loss at break even at this point, because you're filling this wick up. But with volume, we should actually start to continue further down here. Really, really solid trade. So you can see now from the flip here, so 14 pips right at that zone, and we've got another 32 to go. But with volume and stuff, we're looking good for that. Let's have a look at GU. Did anyone take any trades on GU? Nope, because there is nothing. You should be taking no trades. Stops went to break even too early on this trade. What, for me? No, I think they were perfect. They were perfect. I think if you're not new to gold, then yeah, they look very, you look like you've had them on early. And obviously, this is one example where, it would have worked. But I'm telling you, if you don't put your stop loss to break even on gold, very quick, you're going to get your asses clapped numerous times a week. You are going to be holding some serious drawdown. Okay, so what I think for break evens, and Ted was a really big advocate for this. Is you can always have a break even trade. You can always re-enter, but you can't re-enter a losing trade. So if you can see these 5-minute candles here, right? Why the fuck would I have a trade still on if this candle is doji, then this one starts coming up bullish, closing nearly back in the range? You're very lucky to hold this, but theoretically, a lot of times, this is what would have happened.
About 90% of the time.
Yeah, 90% of the time, this candle close, makes its little wick, and then starts coming back in the range, closing above. That would have been the 50-minute close, and then you would have been fucked. So, even though at this example it looks like, yeah, I should have held on, no. It's a rare sight for gold to not get destroyed. Yes, sir. It's picking off, actually. I'm starting to get a lot more comfortable with gold now. It's just picking up these little kind of pushes and stuff. There's always like a nice little one at London. A couple of streams ago we got one. I took like a -3 pip, and then I took a +12 pip. So it's very true. I've lost 850 this week on gold. It's not the best if you trade big lots, but it still makes me money. It doesn't matter what loss size you do. It just it's relative. If Ted takes a break-even trade, he's just lost. Like, if it's actually on break-even, he's just lost like fucking what? How much money on commissions? Like 800 quid.
Yeah, he trades heavy.
Yeah, he's got a good mentality.
Yeah.
When you said you shouldn't have a position in G, looks at position chart as in despair. Oh, wait, are you in a trade? Well, bro, come on, help yourself here. Like, why would there be any sort of trade here? Like, yeah, like what? Like, if I can't look. Okay, look at Discord. If I can't look at this chart and know if you're in a buy or a sell, there's a serious issue here. The chart's fucking garbage. But anyway, let's have a look. Is this your chart? Yeah. Oh, okay. So you are looking for sells. You've got a 20 pip stop, it looks like. You're counting these lows. Okay. Okay, so you're using MAs and kind of fibs and stuff to give you an indication where you're going. I suppose it's under the 50 SMA, EMA, but it's not under the 25. So hopefully that works for you. But yeah, you can see, oh, it's done on the 4 hour. Yeah. Let's have a look at the 4 hour then. To be honest, yeah, I mean, I can see how that could work, but for me personally, in how I trade, wait for the lows to break right here, which is only 10 pips away. But it makes sense. I mean, if you do start getting some resistance here, which is good because, it makes sense. Here we had support, we had resistance, comes all the way down. Now it's acting as resistance. This support is, so it's either gonna, this is the thing. It's guessing or just waiting until it actually happens. So you could do this, right? This is what's going to happen. It's either going to come back down to these lows right here on this level, make a support, and then start jumping up like this, and then continue its ascend back up. Or it's going to do this. It's going to close below, probably come back up to the support, and then do this. So, instead of trying to guess what this is going to do, oh shit, in this range, just wait until it does it, and then you can start looking for it. So confluence 50 MA, TL, lower high, fib level, and structure. Fair enough. I hope it goes well. But at this point, you obviously you're looking at more kind of different kind of things you can use. For your charts, but all I really look for is candles, and for me, all I see here is a resistance at this point, and you can see this 4 hour. This 4 hour has exceeded the high of the previous. The 4 hour has also exceeded the low of the previous. Therefore, we're in a range. And yeah, but fair enough. I mean, if it's long term, like swinging kind of stuff, really good option. As long as we get a break below. Nice. 34 likes in the chat, guys. Make sure you like the stream. If you guys haven't followed my Discord already, make sure you do. The Discord's filling up nicely, actually. 111 people. in like 2 or 3 days. 2 days, I think it was. Nice. Wow. If you guys, how many people are grey still? It's quite a lot. How many people have ticked the server thing? 79. So 79 people. So nearly 30 people haven't ticked this. Make sure to tick it, because I've had a couple of messages on Instagram saying I can't do anything, I can't talk or anything. I'm like, yes, because you didn't read the fucking rules. Tick this box and then you get a green over here. You get to be a green, which is called, so if I look here, this person's got a green and the role is a verified member. So when you're a verified member, then you can start to look, because I want you to look at the rules to be, you know, to make sure you've learned all that so you don't get kicked. But yeah, Discord's filling up nicely. Okay, so wait until that pullback. What pullback? I'm still waiting on GJ buys here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, looking good. 4 hour. Yeah, so you know, this is when you really identify if you can trade this zone or not. And at the moment you can't really, can you? So what do you think about GJ buy? Fuck, this is hard. GJ buys at 157.40. That is where the buys are going to be. If you get in here, you know, there's no reason to get in here. Why would you get in here? Let's look at the 15. So you can see here, this candle here didn't close above. Let's look at the 5 minute. You can see this 5 minute did close above. So at that point, that would be nice. Clean candles to the left, to the right. Damn. Be good to have a chat soon about level trading on gold. Haven't done it before. Yeah, I advise when you're trading gold to really hold your balls tight for it, because especially the one thing that I'll tell people for gold, and my mate, I don't know why he keeps doing this, but my mate, he was like, oh, I want to get back into trading and want to do it and stuff, and he's got quite a lot of money, so I know like you'll spend quite a lot, and he's doing all right. He was up quite a lot, and I was like, okay, he's risking quite a lot here, and I told him, this is a couple of weeks back, and I looked at Friday, because normally Thursday and Friday got big news, so let's see if you do have any here. Yeah, so you can see he's a little bit, but the news that he was on was it was NFP, and I said to him, please, for the love of God, don't trade gold on this day, please. Like, no matter what you do, please just don't press buy or sell in this. And because he was on my IC market, so like for some people I can see like their accounts and shit and see if they're growing and stuff, because I want to keep an eye on them. And bro, the account just disappeared. I mean, like fucking disappeared. And I looked and I messaged him. I was like, did you fucking press buy and sell on gold this day? And he goes, yes, I did. I go, oh god, I did warn you. I said, I literally messaged you saying, don't fucking do this. But NFP will violate you if you don't know, if you don't have a, I mean, it does pay the bills if you have some buy stops and sell stops, but if you know, it should be on a, you know, if you want to do it, you know, you should do it on maybe a separate account, just a bit of fun, risking fucking nothing, you know. People are like proper going for these massive, it's like, bro, sometimes I've seen some hilarious things happen.
Yeah, have you seen those YouTube videos?
Yeah. There's so many like gifs and shit and like fucking memes about it. No, have you seen that one? Oh, I want to find it. It's like it's like some guys like, oh shit. Well, we got some little support here. And they're like 10 seconds later, just fucking died. Trading meme. No, not like a meme like that. It's like this fucking guy, bro. It's so funny. Trading, losing. Trader losing money. Wait, money live. I think it was live. Is it live? Oh, not like that. It's like a fucking funny video. Oh, I need to find it. It's hilarious though. It is really funny. He's like, okay, I got in some buys here, and then like, it was obviously like a clearly a news event. And then it's like 10 seconds later, he's like, oh shit, and then he's like, oh no. Like, He's like, oh, we got some little bit of support here, and then literally like a second after, it fucking ripped. Bro, I remember those days. Fuck. We've all been there. Fuck, when you like take a buy and you're like, oh, like, you know, every single candle and every single chart I'm looking at is red, but fuck it, I'm gonna buy, and I'm fucking praying to Jesus to fucking wake this shit up. Holy fuck. Yeah, like, oh my god, like the amount of fucking times, like, I just see it like starting to go to my fucking stop loss, and I'm just like, oh right, okay, all my fucking technical for the analysis, I'm just praying to Jesus to get this fucking, there you go, holy shit. Well, it's cause like it's hard mentality, because like you look at your account and like, yeah, I've already lost like fucking shitloads. I'm like, well, it doesn't even matter if I lose a bit more anyway. I'm already gonna be pissed off if I close it now, so fuck it. Like, I need to do videos on that for people, because like it's bad. Like a lot of people would just do that. You're like, oh shit, I've already lost $100. I'll just fucking risk another 100 anyway. Fuck it. Because I think you go to yourself like, you know, how more pissed off am I going to be if I lose 200 than 100? Not that much more, so fuck it. It's so bad though, but you know, you don't get taught this stuff. This is why the game's hard, boy.
That's why I don't prefer swing trading, because you're holding for way too long.
Yeah.
Because I remember those days, like, man, I used to just not even be able to sleep. Because
Yeah.
I'm in drawdown.
Yeah, and then I just yeah, exactly. Thoughts on GJ shorts? They're not there. just do the basic stuff, right, guys? If you haven't looked at that new video that I posted, try and do this. So you start on the daily time frame. You use all of them, right? First thing you see, what is the daily? Okay, what is this? It's bullish. Okay, so the first thing is, if the daily's not really going in your direction, maybe try and stay on the time frame. So you can see here, GJ is bullish. Okay, now look at the 4 hour here now. So it's another higher time frame. I'll show you something. So the current candle is bullish. Now people now will be like, oh, buy. And if you just look left, which is very important, you know, what is this? This is a range, okay? This is a range. This is really rangy bullshit. And, you know, 1 or 2 times a week, it's going to be like this. And you have to be able to not trade, because you're going to lose. Okay, so first thing is, you know, look at the daily, look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, it's just ranging. Now go to the hourly, ranging. Okay, 30-minute, ranging. So as you can see here, guys, someone in the chat, please tell me if you took a buy, because I saw a lot of people getting a bit cock teasing when they were going here. But if you look at my video about 10 seconds ago, you can see that I said we had resistances here, we had resistances here. So be careful. And as you can see, someone getting into a trade there, being greedy, trying to get in the zone, is now in a 10 pip drawdown. So well done. You know, this is, you know, I'm not talking bullshit. I'm talking from experience. I'm talking from what happens before. Look to the candles to the left. They give you a great idea of what happens. And you can see here, we've just rejected it. Buys will occur a lot easier for you guys when you get either a closure above and then the wick. This is going to be a quicker trade, a probably no drawdown trade, and probably a higher proportion of win rate trade. So we'll just wait for that instead of playing in this fucking range. Can't stress it enough. 36 views in the stream, man, amazing. Make sure you like the stream. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I want to hear that noise again, the subscriber noise. I'll stop recording here. I keep on recording my live streams, and I'm looking at like my memory from my computer, and I'm like, holy shit, that went down quick. It's like fucking 20 gigs per stream. I'm like, holy shit. So yeah, I'm gonna do that Sasha thing. I'm also going on that guy's stream. What was his name again? Yeah, Dr. Dollar. I think Dr. Dollar, I'm gonna go on his stream next week, I think, which will be cool. Yeah, he's a good lad. He's more you know, he's got choppier charts than me, I'd say, but he's a good G. He's a good
Yeah,
G.
he trades very much like Daniel Savage.
Yeah, his stops are 10 pips though. I've seen his thing. His stops are only 10 pips, so that's good. Daniel Savage somehow has some
Concise.
big fucking like Daniel's. I mean, I'm not gonna like slap anyone, but Daniel Savage seems to take a lot of losses like in a short space of time. Like he'd be like, "Oh, winning streak," and then like the next story I'll see like 2 days later, he's like, "Fuck, I'm down 100 pips." I'm like, "Oh my god." If I was in his like fucking signal group, I'm like, "Holy shit, calm down, bro." Like if I genuinely do the signals later on when I've got a bigger following and shit, like we'll be getting like 1 or 2 trades a day, and they'll be pretty consistent in the time and the day, and it won't be like some fucking risky bullshit. They'll be consistent, you know. I think, you know, that, you know, and what I'll do is, so what I'm thinking of is, I'll do that, and then every single week, so maybe Friday or Saturday, I'll do a live where we actually break down every single one and basically explain every single one. So instead of just doing the fucking signals and just copying me, you actually learn on why I've done it. But that'll be in, you know, in the nearby future. I'm not thinking about it now. I'm thinking about just growing the YouTube, because I love the YouTube. YouTube's fire. YouTube's fire. Oh yeah. But you have to be dedicated for the YouTube. It's good shit though.
Yeah, you do, bro.
I like it though. I like that. I like how you know, viewers and stuff, like anyone can come on. Like you can just get so many views. You can get, you know, no viewers. You can, you know, it's like a motivation tool to like provide and shit. I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. But yeah, you can see resistance here. Big resistance. So you can see, as I said before, the candle closed back in. So therefore we should fill this zone up back to its highs. Have a look at gold. Gold just rocketed. Yeah, so I got a closure back in, and that's come back up. Going to sleep to wake up for NY session. Everyone have a great rest of your day. Will do. Have fun, have a good sleep. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do, guys. Let's get it at 40 likes today. That'll help me out tremendously. But yeah, so you can see resistance clear, and we have clear support right here. And that's what you have to wait for. Very, very easy, very, very clear way of trading. You just have to wait for the setups. Wow, we've had a lot of people join in at 8 o'clock. So you guys, if you guys in the chat haven't joined in, make sure you do. Got like 4 views here. Damn. Amazing. 36 likes the chat. Jesus, not too bad. So, ooh, GU, okay, GU starting to come back up. So yeah, like at this zone right here, these top highs, we're going to be looking for some buys later on. What time is it now? 8:51. So we still have time for buys. But for GJ, really struggling here. Let's have a look for some news. What day are we on again? Fucking hell, these days are going so quick for me now. What day is it today? Holy shit. Oh, 25th, there we go. 25th. Oh, we have some Euro news at 9 o'clock. That'll be interesting. Crude oil inventories. Yeah, so nothing about this week's been quite a clean week for news, which is good. Wow, so if you got in on that 15-minute on gold, you'd be up like 16 pips. Not too bad to fill up that range again. Yeah, look at these hourlies. Damn. So look, wick fill and now rejecting up these highs. So that's why, you know, take profit to these zones is key. We don't just say it for no reason. We say it because, you know, very important. Great idea. Nothing happening. Going to be back for NY session. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I still think there's some time. We'll wait. If you look at the hourly, still get a strong candle here. 6 minutes left. Could continue back up to these highs. That'll be nice. But yeah, what other if you guys are new here, what YouTube videos and stuff would you like me to do? I'm trying to think of more YouTube videos to do. I want to do day in the life and all that kind of stuff, but I need to do that when I get home and stuff. I've got my own like space in that. Because I met my girlfriend still, been here like 3 weeks. Bless her, she's been like, Max, you're fucking waking me up every morning, bro. You're too loud. Oh, I miss my chair at home, man. If you don't have a nice chair, oh, like this chair's all right, but I've got like one of them GT Omega ones and they're fire. But yeah, just a rangy day. So for the week, who is still in the drawdowns? I want to kind of make on Discord a page where you kind of be you put in your trades for the week, and you can see, you know, what's going wrong, and you'll see pretty instantly. I am on a sell 1793. Want to go intraday to 1800. Do you mean you're in a buy? I'm assuming you're in a buy. Yeah. What are your thoughts? Yeah, that could be good. Let's fuck you. So, my opinion on this is, yeah, that's fine. But, you know exactly what I'm going to say, right? This will be potential to get to 1800 if we close above this region here, which is resistance. If we don't close above here all day, I'm sorry, your 1800 isn't going to get hit. If you get a closure, strong closure candle, then we're going to come up to 1800, which is good. If we do close back below here, we're going to look for sales, and we can come back at 1790 and then 1785. Stops to break even, lovely. So you got in at 1793 right here. That's a good level. I mean, it's very risky to get in that level, but yeah, that's what you'll say. Yeah, stops to break even. Yeah. Why would you? Wait, have you not got your stops to break even? Get your stop loss to break even, bro. So where's your stop loss? Where's your stop loss? If you got in here, right? Try and think of this logically. If you got in here, where's your stop loss? Here or here? I think, you know, having a trader break even right here is a good option, because if you start coming back down here, ooh, you may be taking an L right there. Ooh, look at that. 20 pips stop loss. Fair enough, fair enough. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this garbage. If you look at the daily, we were in a good level that if you can reject from. So if you got a nice 4-hour bullish close and broke the resistance on 30-minute, you are good. Right, I'm off. Need to get ready for work and to work in the life of it at Starbucks. Oh, Starbucks. Jeez, I'd love one of them right now. Fuck. We'll have fun. This is good though. You can literally do the London streams. That's great. It's good you can do that. I already took half. Nice. If you guys subscribed, how many subscribers are we on now? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Ooh, look, London. Ooh, wow, what's he in? What the fuck is he doing? I like Lee Tradeston, he's a good lad. So he is looking for golds. Oh my god, why has he got activate windows on? Fuck, he needs to have some windows on, bro. I'm gonna message him. Let's have a look at here then. 562 subscribers. That is amazing. PSL latte coming out soon. Oh, pumpkin spice latte. Fuck yeah, I like that. Kelsey, learnt my lesson last time trading GJ. Exactly. But now you feel good, you know. You just save some money, and you've really learnt that you can stay out of range and still have a good time. Because you saw a lot of people in the chat today trying to get into GJ buys right here, and you know it wouldn't have gone well for them. You know, 12 pips, they would have been down for. You know, you need to always be careful, because yeah, sometimes this is going to work. You know, this kind of push up, but you know, most times it's not, and it's not going to be good for your mental state, because you're in a range. You know you're in a range. If you took a trade here, you really know that you're in a range. Because look at these wicks, bro. Like, there's no way you can get into it. Yeah, it's a relief actually. Learning when to trade and when to stay out. Have learned a lot from these live streams. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think if people do listen, they can do it. That's what I did. That's how I learned. Just listen. just listen and do the live streams. That's all you really need. Ooh, 4 hour, really choppy. So maybe the volume will come later on. For NY, closures above here will be a solid option. GU as well. Oh, like God, the chart makes you feel sick, bro. Like, fuck. So put your hands up if you've taken any trades in GG and GU today. Who take any trades? If you took a trade, bro, oh, God bless your account. In fact, if you took a trade today in GG and GU, why don't you just PayPal me your whole account and I'll trade it for you? Because that shit will be gone quick. Raise his hand slowly. Okay, it's in profit. Okay. I'll get you there. But still. It's in profit. Okay. You're gonna have to tell me if you're in a buy or a sell again.
Well, would you take the setup again? Is the real question.
Yeah, it's true.
Like work again.
Okay, Daniel, is it in profit or is it break even? That is the key. If it's not in break even, oh my God. Because this is like, I just don't know where this would go. Like I don't even know if you're in a buy or a sell, bro. When I look for charts, like when you guys send me them, I really want to be able to look at your chart and know exactly if you're in a buy or a sell. That's the setups that the clean setups at that point. What is gold doing here? Ooh, ooh, look at that! Checking them zones already, coming back down here. 15 just opened, 30 minutes just opened. There's nothing much yet, but this could be making the low weight to flick up, so it's a tricky one. Ooh, let's look at this 4 hour. Starting to continue now. Daily bearish. Hourly breaking that support right there. Oh my God. Got 15 minutes to close though, so there couldn't really be an option here. Right. I'm trying to see what we can look for the week. So, we're halfway through the week here. Let's really have a look where we could go. 2 days left, okay? Now, 2 days left. We are on a weekly support right here. If we do start flipping, oh my God, we're gonna be diving down nicely. To people here, it actually looks like a head and shoulders on the weekly. So then come back down to these zones right here. This is why it's kind of rangy. You can see we are already holding it. Closed in profit. Nice, Daniel. Nice. That's what I like to hear. But you can see here, right? If this weekly time frame was the 15-minute, bro, I'd be entering this shit if it flips. Here. I mean, if that's the top wick, comes that down here, flips. Lovely. I'll see you later, Kelsey. Have fun. Another profitable session. Yes. That's all we get. Really good. Really good stream today, guys. Really happy with it. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. And guys, put what you want to see in the charts. I can do some of the charts now because this is all rangy. If you guys want me to look at any charts, if you could do crypto or anything, just ask me in the charts. We can start looking at it. We could be looking at some charts here. I'll have a look at one anyway. I'll do. I'll look at is V chain on this? Oh shit, it is. Okay, let's see what we could do here. Okay. This is looking pretty juicy. So I'm in. Let's see if this works right here. Let's just mark our charts up here. So we got a yellow line. We got a 4 hour. We got a 4 hour. So the 4 hour right now is bearish, but if we do start flipping up, then we're holding this support right here. Look at the hourly. So you can see the hourly has a clear resistance at this point right here. But if we do start exceeding above here, we'll be looking good for some buys. To be fair, the structure on this isn't bad at all, really. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the 30-minute. I mean, it's nothing like we could trade because, like, yeah, like, look at these little candles and stuff. But volume at 9 AM. Let's see where the volume is as well. Volume at 1 o'clock. Volume at 9 AM again. Interesting. Interessante. So if you do exceed these lows as well here, we're looking for some shorts on VeChain. So VeChain, let's do Bitcoin. Everyone likes doing a bit of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, USD. Okay. Let's have a look here. Let's look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bullish right now, but we had a strong bearish one yesterday. Yeah, it was a bearish day yesterday. I remember seeing it on my wallet. Ooh, you don't have top wicks and bottom wicks, and they slip quite a lot. Damn. Okay, so we got some thing here. So it's kind of the same story for Bitcoin here. Buys above 48,573, sells below this zone right here, which will be the daily flip. So potentially, if you do start flipping this candle, this would be good for sells for Bitcoin. All the way back down. Look for zones on the left to see if there's any nice zones. Ooh, very nice zones actually. Damn, let's start trading Bitcoin. Hell yeah. Get closures below here. How many pips is this? Whoa! I don't know how pips work in Bitcoin on a thing, but fucking hell, 75,000 pips. Jeez! I'm assuming that's like maybe. I'm assuming that's like 7 pips. Is it? No, 70 pips. Maybe. I don't know how that would work. I don't know how that would work, boy. Okay, okay, GJ. Get some volume, boy. Come on, get some volume. Calling it a session for today since GJ is ranging. Gonna go off and catch some sleep. Yes, bro. See you later, my boy. Get some sleep, man.
Are you gonna be on Discord?
No, unfortunately, I'm away. Unfortunately, I'm not. But yeah. Catch you tomorrow.
Chatting everybody tomorrow.
Yeah. Right, see you tomorrow, bro.
Peace out. Take care.
See ya. Bye.
Great session.
Yeah, boy. Glad I caught that gold trade for sure. But you can see here, no candle closing below, so there was no trade. But the trade before, we did get a candle close right here. I ended on this flip right here, and it worked out very nicely. For continued sells for the daily, it's going to be looking nice to come back down to fill these wicks here. Very, very good. Let's see. Yeah, so GU and GJ, seriously, wait until you get a notification. I've got my notification here at 157.20. That's where I'll be looking for some buys at that point, and they should be coming out quite nicely, for sure. And hopefully they close a bit closer than this candle, and then we can start running off, which would be nice. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you haven't yet joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord right here. It literally says where I'm going live, and it tells me, you know, we're going to do London discussions. This is where we put our charts in, all that good stuff. Amazing. Actually, I forgot to like this one. But yeah, so for later, make sure you write this down. So later we're going to be looking for buys above here. We are looking for sells below. Ooh, for GJ there'll be sells below probably the daily flip, or wait until we go close below here. So 152.62. And for gold, I'm going to be looking for later on. I have to see if this makes support or not, because it's a bit choppy, so it is in a bit of a range here. GJ we've already said, and then GU will be looking for buys above 1.37329 and sells below 1.37144, or more cleaner sells. We down this zone here. 1.3067 will be a lovely target. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. I need to head off and have a lovely day at a wildlife park. But I hope you enjoyed the stream. Before you go, make sure you like the stream and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one tomorrow. So peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed the trade and stream. See you later, guys. Bye.